Hi there, I'm Schmear here of Hip the Hoopla, and I'm demonstrating a schmear. So in this video, I'm going to give you a little hoop tutorial to do this particular move. Okay, there's a few components to this. You can use whatever hoop size you like, but it's going to land a little bit differently depending on how far your hoop comes down on your particular body. So if you're using a smaller hoop, it's going to be higher up on the back. If you're using a larger hoop, it's going to be down a little bit further. So what we're going to be doing is I like to start the hoop at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position, and what we're going to be doing is a W format to start the beginning, and then as we come around to the side, so I'm going to turn, and as I bring this up to the side, I'm going to be straight up and straight down on the hip. And then as I come to the front, I'm going to be an inside grip and opposite of that W as the front, and bring it to the side. Then I'm going to be top and bottom. And as I come back to that original position in the back, I'm going to be back at that Wonder Woman or W position. So as I bring this to the side, front, side, back. So as that goes around, I'm going to make contact with the body. Now here's where the schmear part of this comes in. So like butter on a piece of toast, you're going to be making sure that the hoop schmears or makes contact with the waist or whatever part of the body, but it's going to come in a straight line. So I'm making contact with the hoop as it's making a point around, all the way around. So again, so starting out to the side, to the side, to the front, to the side, and to the back. So let me show you that from the back, what that looks like with the hand positions. So I'm coming with the left hand, I'm bringing it down to the side, to the left side, and I'm bringing it forward to the side and to the back. Side, forward, side, back. So you think of your hoop in quadrant positions. So top and bottom represent the 12 o'clock and 6 o'clock positions, and then 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock, or 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock, whichever way you're looking at this and visualizing this. So think of you, and when you do this, you're getting these positions at those quadrants, like so. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that. Definitely try this on the other direction, on the other side and other direction as well. So you're going to start, bring this up to the right, bring it forward, bring it in, bring it back, and bring it back together, and all together. So this is done with an inside grip as well. So have some fun with this. This is an on-body maneuver with your hoop. It's a fairly easy maneuver, and I hope that you will enjoy it a lot. So rock on, peace out. I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.